Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today a quick little video of how I do my falsies. So first I'm just gonna take my curling wand, curl my lashes just a little bit, just to kind of get them to be in the shape of the fake lashes. Then I'm just gonna go in with my mascara. This is just the Black Radiance brand from Walmart, nothing fancy, just to thinly coat my lashes, because as you can see, they're like a blonde brown color. I want them to be black to match the falsies. So like I said, just lightly coating. You don't want it to be too dramatic, because then you'll definitely see them underneath the falsies. And then here I'm just going in with the Ardell Wispies and some Duo brush on glue. This one I found to be my favorite so far, because that tip makes it really easy to apply it to the lash band. So just take your strip, and then you're going to want to go in with the glue in a very thin coat. I start in the middle and then kind of work it out to the ends. And then I make sure I go back in and hit the ends again, just to make sure they're really coated, so that way they don't pop off during the day. So then you just want to go ahead and blow on the glue. You want it to dry just a little bit so it gets a little tacky, so when you stick it on your eyelashes, it stays. So it'll be like a white color, and then you'll kind of see it getting a little transparent. That's when you know it's a little tacky. Then I just take my tweezers, pinch the lashes about in the middle of the strip, and I go in. I try to go above my lashes. So you can see the glue is tacky, it'll stick to them. So you want to kind of go in above them. And then I just kind of stick the lash right in, like center it with my pupil. And then once that sticks, I kind of want to go in and start tacking the ends on. So you just want to tack the ends on. Once you have them on, I just take the tweezers and pinch my real lashes with the lash band to kind of get that lash band as close to my natural lashes as possible. That's what gives you the look where you don't see that it's falsies. So I just keep going in and pushing that lash band against my eyelid and mesh it with my eyelashes. Make sure I got it on both sides. So since that looks good, I just go back in with my mascara, and now I'm gonna coat my bottom lashes to bring it all together. Because as you can see, it looks like I have no eyelashes unless I put the mascara on. Okay, you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, turn on your post notifications so you always know when we post a new video. Thanks, and love you guys.